Yeah. Okay. We'll continue. Please. Good morning, all. Welcome to the class. I hope is audio and video is clear. Everyone just reply if it is audio
Good
and video
morning,
is clear.
sir.
Yeah. Good morning. So today we are going to continue with that topic. Yesterday we have discussed that. We'll continue today that. Read this question. I'll give a time. Just you read this question. I'll explain concept behind this question also, but you try first. What is the question here? Read everyone question. ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ let students still waiting, just let them join. Everyone please wait. Yeah, please mute yourself everyone. Okay. Yes, in manufacturing unit it was noted that the price of raw material has increased. Be careful, that concept is very important here. In manufacturing unit it was noted that price of raw material has increased by 25 percentage and the labor cost has gone up from 30 percentage of the cost of raw material to 38 percentage of cost of raw material. What percentage of the consumption of raw material be reduced to keep the cost of the same that before. So here very important is this statement, same as that before. Concept, let's take it. Concept, the concept is, if you clearly understand this concept, is the most important concept. If you see here expenditure, first you should know expenditure what. Okay, expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. So expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Now if I take one example. For example, today I will go on shop and I'm spending 100 rupee. Understand what is the meaning that property here. 100 rupee, that is I am spending. Expenditure will be 100 rupee. Then if expenditure is 100, just a minute, expenditure is 100 rupee. If one article price is 20 rupees, tell me how many articles I may get. Tell how many article I may get. Tell. Total I am spending 100 rupee. Understood, right? Total I am spending 100 rupee. Price is 20 rupees. One article price. How many article I may get? That is 5 article, right? I will get 5 article. One article price is 20 rupees. If one article is 20 rupees, then I will get 5 article. Suppose next day also I will go with 100 rupee. One article price is 25 rupees. One article price is 25 rupees. Tell me how many article I may get. Reply all.
4.
Yes,
4.
I will get 4 article. If you clearly observe here, I am spending same amount. Expenditure is same. I am spending same amount. Price is compared to first day and second day, it is increased. Then consumption is decreased. If price is increased, consumption is decreased, that concept is called inversely proportion. So if expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportion to consumption. Price is inversely proportion to consumption. Remember this property. Is it clear? This property is clear? Please reply all if property is clear. Everyone reply.
Yes.
Property is
Yes.
most important. If property is clear, okay. Next. Now here in this question, what they are talking about in manufacturing unit, it was noted that price of raw material has increased by 25 percentage, which means method 1 method 2 both I will show you. Initially 25% means 25 divided by 100. Initially the raw material cost is 100 rupee. Raw material cost is 100 rupee. Now that cost will be 125 rupee. Now that cost will be 125 rupee. Just minute. Now that cost is 125 rupee. Initially 100 rupee, now it is 125 rupee. It is old initially. It is new, now it is. Next, what they are talking? Labor cost. Labor cost has gone up from 30% of the cost of raw material to 38% of the cost of raw material, which means labor cost starting 30% of cost of raw material initially. 30% of this number, 30% of 100, 30 rupees initially labor cost. Now it is increased 38% of raw material, 38% of cost of raw material, 38% of 125. Can anyone tell what is 38% of 125? Reply. What is 38% of 125? Reply all online students. Yeah, good morning all YouTube students. Tell me, what is how to calculate 38% of 125? Can I write answer will be 38 plus 9.5, that is 47.5. How to calculate 125% of 38? Instead of 38% of 128, 128% of 38. Method 2 also I will tell. This is method 1. 125% means 100% is 38, then 25%. How to calculate 25% means 2 times of. Okay, 2 times of. Is it clear? What is, tell me now, tell me at least. Now tell me what, how to calculate what is 25% of that number.
Sir, 38 divided by 4.
Yeah, 38 divided by 4 also you can do it. Good. Otherwise 2 times of, that will be 9.5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then it will be 38 plus 9.5, 47.5. 47.5. This is method 1, basic method. Method 2 easily I will explain, which means labor price plus total price. So the question is the cost of that material, total material, 100 plus 30, 130. Raw material cost is 100 rupee, labor price it is. Labor price is 30 rupee, initially 130 rupee. If I make anything, the cost of any one article will be 130. Now 125 plus 47.5, 125 plus 40, 165 plus 7.5. How much it will be? 175 plus 47.5. Tell me, 172.5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
172.5. 172.5. It is final. now I have to do ratio. It is a difficulty this method, but I will do method 2. That is the best method, but you understand very basics way first, because the foundations you should understand very basic way. Exam way I will tell you, but in my ratio I want, if I need ratio, I can remove 1 point, I can add 0, means into 10 multiplication. Otherwise I can do double of 130 will be 260, double of 172.5, 170 double 340 plus 2.5 is 345. Now I can do ratio, I can do it. So if I do ratio, or both are I think 13 multiple, you can do that also. Tell me, at least you do it. What is the ratio of this number? You can do double at least now. Still, because I don't want 5 in my question. 520, say 300 and 690. Can I write ratio will be 52 is to 69? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes, just 52 is to 69. Now it is the price ratio, final price ratio. Now read question, what I have to do it. Now read question, tell me what I have to do it. So Kavya, good morning Kavya, and reply all online students also. So price is 52 is to, now read, what percentage of the consumption of the raw material to reduce to keep the cost same. What is the meaning this? To keep the cost same means expenditure is same. I want starting expenditure, now expenditure should be same. I want to make expenditure constant. You should know, if expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportion to consumption. Yes or no? Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Price is inversely proportion to consumption. You should know that. Now it is price ratio. I can write consumption ratio will be inverse. Inverse means not reverse. 1 by 52, 1 by 69. Remember it. Inverse means 1 by 52, 1 by 69. But ratio always I want integer format. I will do cross multiplication. Then I will get 69 is to 52. It is a consumption ratio. Which means starting I am spending 69 total cost. I mean consumption 69, now it is 52. So how much reduced? How much reduced? 17 reduced. How much reduced? 17 reduced. Compared to initial. Initial will be 69 into 100. Into 100. This we have to do it. How to solve? 10 percentage is 6.9. I will do another way, method 2. You understand this. 10 percentage is 6.9. I want 17. 20 percentage will be 69 double, that is 13.8. Then I want 17. Here I have two options, 25 and 24. Any, because very close option. I need to check that. I will check 25 percentage. 10 percentage, see 50 percentage will be half of this number, 34.5, 17.25. 25 percentage is 17.25, but here I have 17, which means not, it is not my answer. My answer will be this. Is it clear? Tell me, otherwise I will repeat. Last part I will repeat if you are not understanding that. Is it clear? All online students and YouTube students, just let me know first. Is it clear? Kavya, Alankrit.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat one more time, sir?
Yeah,
This,
I will repeat. I will repeat because I will do method 2 also, same question. I will repeat there. See now. Same question I will do method 2. Just write down. Just write down. I will do method 2, very less writing. Just write down. Good morning, Navneeta. Good morning, Kavya. And reply all other students also who are in YouTube. Good morning, Tanu, Alankrut, Kavya. All. Okay. Is it over writing? Let me know if it is writing over. Is it writing over? Please reply all. If it is writing over, I will move for next type question. Okay. Overwriting, I will do again.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay. I will forward notes also, just write down. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now same method I will do method 2 here now. Writing less. 25 percentage, the question they are given, raw material cost is increased by 25 percentage. What is the fraction value of 25 percentage? Tell me. Reply all. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 increased value, tell me how much increased value. 1 by 4 increased value, that is 5 by 4. Yes or no?
5. Yes.
This is always initial price, this is final, which means same 100 is to 125. If I do ratio, I will get 4 is to 5. Everyone understand this? It is a initial price, 4 is to 5, initial to final. Now 30 percentage labor cost is increased, 38 percentage labor cost is increased. It is very difficult to calculate 30 percentage of 4. So what I am going to do, I will write like this ratio. Instead of 4 is to 5, I will write 40 is to 50. Any number, even 400 is to 500 also you can able to write. Any number you can write. 30 percentage of 40 is 12 rupee. 12 rupee labor cost is increased. Means starting labor cost is starting 12 rupee. 40 plus 12, 52 rupees starting labor cost. Now 38 percentage of 50, I can write that number. 50 percentage of 38, that will be 19, which means now it is 69. Ratio will be this. It is a price ratio aftering raw material plus labor cost. Total price will be 52 starting. Now it will be 69. Consumption, because in the question they are clearly they are given expenditure I want should be constant, then price is inversely proportional to consumption, then consumption ratio will be 69 is to 52. 69 is to 52. Is it clear? See, in few lines we can write it instead of previous method, because in previous case to make it ratio we have to solve many things. Is it clear till this? Please reply all YouTube students.
Yes.
Also this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now initially consumption is 69, now it is 52, means consumption is reduced by 17. Now we are clearly observe 17 out of 69 into 100. See, first I will decide my answer. It is whether nearest to which option. I will decide my answer nearest to which option. I will take this option. Always denominator will be 100 percentage. 100 percentage will be 69. Then 10 percentage will be 6.9. Then 20 percentage will be 13.8, double of 6.9. 20 percentage 13.8 means 30 percentage will be, it is more than 20. So I want 17. So answer will be above 20. Above 20, how many options I have, I will check. I have above 20, it means it is either this or this, more, because it is very different. This is I am not taking, even this is not I am taking. The any two option. Is it clear? Either 24 or 25. Is it clear? Till that, either answer will be 24 or 25. Is it clear? Reply all. Whether it is clear
Yes,
or
sir.
reply all online students. Tanu and Alankruti is clear. Pallavi, what about you? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Now I have two options. One option is 24. One option is 25. which one is easy to check means this one is easy to check for me. 25% easily I can check. 100% is 69. I want to check 25%. How to check 25% means 2 times off. 69 one time off if I do, that is 34.5, that is 50%. 50% is 34.5. 25% off of this 34 is 17.25. 25% is 17.25. I have option more than 25 because I have option here 25.2. If you see this option 25.5 I have, which means more than 17.5%, 17.25%, but I want less than 17, then I want 17, so answer will be 24.6. I hope it is clear now. Alankrit, Tanu and all online students, just reply once, everyone.
Yes, I understood.
Okay, write down this. Is it clear method 2? YouTube students, just reply. Okay. Good. I think it's clear. Writing over.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Method 2. It is. Clear? Writing over.
Yes, sir.
See, this is also important question. A number is such that when it is multiplied by 3, I think this already we solved. Let's study same question. It's a repeated question, no need to take. Same question. This. You try this question. I will wait a time, 1 minute, but you try. Try any online students. What is the answer for this? Very simple question. Anyone? I will wait another 1 minute, but you try. See, if I solve all the questions, no, it's not good. You try, whether right or wrong, don't worry. But how you will think? Just read language. You should read language and understand. It's easy way. Anyone? Or shall I solve? Are you trying or shall I solve?
I will try.
Yeah. First, Tom gave 20% of certain amount of money to Ali. Fine. From that amount it is. From that money, Ali received. Just a minute. 1 minute. Sorry. Okay. Tom gave 20% of certain amount of money to Ali. I'm assuming Tom have 100 rupee. You can assume 1000 also. You can assume 500 also. Any amount. From this amount, Tom gave 20% to Ali. 20% of 100, 20 rupee Ali will get. 20 rupee all you will get. Fine. From this amount, he spent 25% on school fees, 35% buying school uniform. Which means from this amount, 25% plus 35%, he spent 60%. Yes or no? From 20 pots, he spent 25% plus 35%. Total how much he spent? 60% is spent on all whatever received, which means if we spent 60% of 20, remaining will be 40% of 20. Yes or no? Reply all. Is it clear? Reply once.
Yes, sir.
Yes. He spent 60% of 20, remaining will be 40% of 20. What is 40% of 20? Remaining amount. Because this is the remaining amount. What is 40% of 20?
8 rupees.
8. 8 pots is equal to 2800. 8 pots is equal to 2800. Then I need to find out, question they are given, how much money did Tom have? Tom have how much amount starting? 100 pots. I need to find out 100 pots is equal to how much. Solve this at least and tell me answer.
So 35,000.
Yes, good. Is it clear? So 8 to 28, if I solve that equation, okay, we'll get 14 by 4, 3.5, yes, 35. I think it's clear. Shall we move for next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is important. See this question. You try first. Any online students and YouTube students, you try first. Very simple. Okay, I will solve. This is a new concept question. I will solve. A number has to be divided by 6, but by mistake multiplied by 6. Actually, I have one number. I am assuming x. Actually, I have to divide this number. Actually, we have to divide this number. By miss, same number instead of division. Instead of division, I have multiplied. Okay, I have multiplied. What is the error? What is the percentage change? If I do basic method, error means difference. Difference between this number and this number, which means 6x minus x by 6. This is the error on original number. Original number will be x by 6. To convert any fraction to percentage into 100. It is the basics. It is the basics. But method 2 I will tell basics. Then if I solve this equation, you will get here LCM will be 6. 6 into 6, 36 minus x, that will be 35x. If I convert division to multiplication, denominator will be 6 by x into 100. Here 1, which means this 6 get cancelled, x get cancelled, 35 into 100, 3500% is the error. Basics. Is it clear? Basic method. Reply all.
Yes, sir.
Write down. Method 2 I will tell. It is a original number. Originally, it is a wrong number. Wrong calculation. It is a basics. Method 2 I will tell. Method 1 write down. each and every question you try to do it. All online students and YouTube students, everyone. See, before if you watching in YouTube afterwards, so just pause video and you try to solve first, then watch that. Okay. See now. Is it writing over? I think I will do method 2. Method 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I will write it. Anyway, notes I need. Method 2 I will write. X by 6. X is a number. I have to divide by this number 6. But instead of that, I just multiplied that number. If I do ratio, x get cancelled. 1 by 6 is to 6. But ratio I want integer format. I will shift the 6 this side. Then ratio will be 1 is to 36. Actually, originally I have to get 1, but by miss I am getting 36 is my answer. My actual answer is 1, but I am getting 36 is a wrong. What is the error? Error will be 35. Error will be 35 compared to initial original number 1. To convert any fraction to percentage into 100, which means answer will be 3500 percentage error. Error will be 3500 percentage. I hope method 2 is clear. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, next point. Same question, but you try this question. Same kind of question. Ajay want to subtract a number from 5, but he added 5 instead of subtraction. Then find percentage change in result. Any online students? Any YouTube students? Any YouTube students? Reply all. Very simple question and very easy question. Anyone? Anyone? Navneet, Kavya, and who are attended, just message in YouTube also. Do message in chat box. Okay, shall I do? Online students, Alankrit, Tanu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other? Will you try? And any other? Mohammed and Preeti. Okay, I will solve. Answer will be cannot be determined. You can't solve. What is the reason? I will explain. Reason behind this. I have a number x. Ajay want to subtract a number by 5. Actually, you have to subtract by 5. This is the original answer. But he added by 5. It is a wrong result. Then what is the percentage wrong? Difference, big number x plus 5 and minus. That's
Sir,
the
it
difference.
should be 5 minus x.
See, Ajay wants subtracted a number from 5. Yeah, you can write it 5 minus x also. No problem. That it won't affect. No problem that. whatever negative or positive you can, percentage is not effect, no problem. I have a number, I am subtracted from 5. Yes, 5 minus 6, you can write that. Then this is that on x minus 5 into 100. See, if you don't know x value, it is not easy to solve. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here we can't solve it. Okay, if I get here, I'll get quadration, here I'll get, but I can't solve it. This, you can't solve this equation. How much percentage? So your answer will be, whenever if the question is addition subtraction, answer will be cannot be determined. Whenever if it is a multiplication and division, then only you can solve it percentage. Is it clear? This pattern you should remember. Whenever in error concept, percentage error concept, whenever you have addition and subtraction, answer will be always cannot be determined. Whenever multiplication division, then only we can solve it. Is this concept is clear? All online students, reply all. Also YouTube student, just reply once if it is clear. Okay, next. At least this question you can try. This question. In an examination of 80 questions, student answered 75% of first 60 questions correctly. Accordingly, in order to answer 80% of the whole examination correctly, she has to answer what percentage of the remaining questions correctly? That I need to find out. What percent of the remaining questions she have to attend correctly? Simple pattern question. Will you try? Online students, will you try?
Yes.
Yeah, try. Just you try. Whether right or wrong, don't worry, just you try. In an examination, 80 questions actually they have, but a student answered 75% of first 60 questions. She attended 60 questions, she answered 75% correct. Good. Navneet answer replied. YouTube, good. Yes. Say now, what is the meaning this? So here if you observe, I will solve. Shall I solve? Tell me, online batch students. Shall I solve or will you try? Alankrut?
Yes, sir, 1 minute, I'll just
Yeah,
check.
yeah, you try. Preeti, will you try? Tanu, will you try?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try. No, no, just you slowly try. You have to understand. Next class is important. Tomorrow class will discuss more high level questions. Okay. Shall I? Say now, I will do it. It takes time. Say now, I will do it. Tell me one thing. According to first statement, how many questions you have in exam? How many questions you have in exam?
80 questions.
Yeah, 80 questions you have in your exam. First paper, otherwise first time, how many questions you attended?
60.
60 questions you attended in first paper, which means remaining 20 questions we have. Yes or no? Reply.
Yes, sir.
Then in first paper, how much percentage you scored? In first paper, how much percentage you scored? 75% I have scored, which means 3/4. 3 by 4 of 60 question, which means 45 marks. I have scored 45 marks from this statement correctly. Accordingly, in order to answer 80% of the whole examinations, whole exam means 80 questions we have, I have to score 80 percentage. 80 percentage of 80 means I have to score 64 marks. I have to score 64 marks. But in first paper I am getting only 45 marks. Tell me in second paper how much marks I have to get. In second paper how much marks I have to get. Tell me. Very simple. What I have to do to find out this?
64.
Tell me.
64 question we have correctly answered.
Yeah, 64 marks we have to get, but I scored 45. Then remaining 19 marks I have to get. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now the question they are asking, what is the percentage I have to get? That's the question here, which means 19 marks I have to score out of 20 questions. Out of 20 questions. To convert any fraction to percentage into 100, so your answer will be 95 percentage I have to score in second paper, then I will get 80 percentage. We can solve using allegation also, but allegation method I will tell in allegation chapter. Here understand, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the way to solve this question. Just write down question number and solution. Is it clear, Preeti, Tanu and Alankrit?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Okay, next question. Okay, this is the concept of trigonometry, radians and minutes. So remember this meaning, this line meaning, minutes, whatever you get like this, degree and this meaning, radian and this. Sorry, I will give clue, you try. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Now you try. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Now you try. Try now and tell me answer. Okay, shall I do? When Ashok is asked to construct angle 45 degree, I said you should construct 45 degree, but he constructed angle 45 degree 27 radian. This is the meaning, that means error will be extra 27. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
27 radian, but I want in minutes. Convert this degree to, means this is a degree also, but writing in minutes. 27 to convert to degree, we have to write it divided by 60. Okay, it is the minutes now. Okay, it is the minutes now. Error will be this. Now I want in percentage. How much error? 27 by 60 is a error compared to 45. To convert degree, that is the meaning, that so this radian I am converting to degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 27 divided by 60, you do it. Then this is the comparison with original. I have to construct 45, but by miss I am constructed 45 27 radian. How much error? 27 radian is error, but I want to convert to degree. To convert to degree, we have to take it 60. Okay, 60. So to convert that, any fraction to percentage into 100. At least you do this calculation. 27 divided by 60 into 1 by 45 into 100. At least you do this. You will get 1% answer because it is multiple, get cancelled. Yes or no? 9 3s are 9 5s are 3 1s are 3 20s are 20 into 500, 100 cancel, answer is 1. Is it clear? Because 27 into 100 2700, 30 into, yeah, I told you 90 into 30 2700, that's why I said answer is directly 1%, directly. 27 into 100 2700, 60 into 45, I told you any number multiplication by 5 means double and half. 90 into 30 2700, numerator get cancelled, denominator get cancelled, remaining will be 1. I think it's clear. Please reply all if it
Yes,
is clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. 1 degree is equal to 60 radian. It is the minutes. This is the meaning of minutes. So minutes to convert to degree, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Remember this. If I write like this, it is in minutes. Remember this. I hope it is clear till now.
Yes, sir.
Next question. This is easy question, I think. Try this. Still has 405 good apples. How many apples did he originally have? You try this question. I will give 1 minute time. Try this question. Try everyone. Shall I do or will you try? A shopkeeper has certain number of apples, of which are 10% are found to be rotten. He sells 85% of the remaining good apples and still has 405 good apples. Very simple, right? Can I assume starting I have 100 apples? Yes or no? Reply all. Shall I assume starting I have 100 apples?
Yes, sir.
Now, out of 100 apples, 10% are rotten. 10% are rotten means good apples will be remaining 90%. 90% of 100, 90 apples are good now. Out of this, he sells 85% remaining good apples. He sells 85% of 90. He sells 85% of 90. But I want remaining. Then remaining, tell me how many, how to write remaining, how to find out. 85% is sell means what I have to write. Reply all. Is sell 85% of 90. Now remaining, how to find out. I don't want answer. How to find out?
So the
Tell. Remaining very simple 15%,
yes,
right?
sir, by subtracting.
Yes,
100.
15% of 90 you have. 85%, see, always 100 is a numbers. 85% is sell means remaining 15% you have. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is 15% of 90? That I need to calculate. 10% is 9, 5% is 4.5. 9 plus 4.5, 13.5 article now remaining.
Yes, sir.
Apples you have remaining 13.5. But according to question you have remaining apples 405 good
405.
apples. That means 13.5 pots is equal to 405. I told you I can write one part is equal to double on double both the method. 8 10 is to 27. I can write double. This is double of 405 is 8 10. Double of 13.5 is 27. Can I write? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I can write like this also. Now 9 3s 27 3s directly I can write. 27 3s that will be 81. One part is equal to 30. How many apples did he have originally? Originally means 100. Then one part is equal to 30. 100 parts is equal to 3000. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
100 parts is equal to 3000. That will be your answer. Right on this. It's a very easy question. You have to read language. You have to step by step. You have to do it. I think it's clear. Right on. Good morning, Chaitra. And others also do it. Overwriting.
Yes.
You try this question also. Same question, same type question, easy question. Easy question. But let's see who will do this. A boy has been asked to find 3.5% of some amount. He obtained 5% of that amount. Was 220. What would be the correct answer? Very simple question. I can tell my answer will be this is the only possible option. How to tell answer that I will explain later. That concept I will explain later. Prime number concept. Nodi. See everyone. A boy has been asked to find some amount. I have X rupee. I told you to boy find out 3 1 by 2 percentage, that will be 7 by 2 percentage. Yes or no? Yes or no? Or
Yes,
3.5
sir.
3.5 percentage of that number I told. But what he did, instead of finding 3.5 percentage, he find out 5 1 by 2, that is 11 by 2 percentage he find out. He find 11 by 2. Now if I do this ratio, this get cancel, x get cancel, 2 get cancel, 7 is to 11. 7 is to 11. Actually he have to get 7, but by miss he get 11. But according to question, this 220, when he will get 220? When I calculated 5.5 percentage, then I will get 220. Tell me which number I have to compare now, 7 or 11? This 220 I have to compare with 11 parts. Yes or no? Because when I will get 220, when I calculated 5.5%, then I will get 220. 11 parts is equal to 220. One part is equal to 20. Then 7 parts is equal to how much? 7 into 20, 140 is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Simple concept. Write on this. I told when I solving this question, I'm observing this number 7 by 2. So 7 is a prime number, 7 multiple will be the answer. Only one option I have, 7 multiple. So I can tell my answer will be that. That's the way I'm using my method. Right on this. I think it's clear.
Yes, sir.
After writing over, you should tell whether writing over or not. Yeah, this is also very important question. You try. It is very easy actually. Easy question, but you try. It's easy question, but you try. In survey, it is found that 20% percentage person like X, whereas 60 percentage person like Y. Remaining person cannot decide. Fine. Different. It is very easy question. I hope you can do it. You try. All online students also try. YouTube students try to tell answer for this. Anyone? Very simple question. In a survey, total some members are there. 20 percentage likes X. Totally some members are there? 20 percentage likes X. Fine. Whereas 60 percentage likes Y. Fine. Total will be 100 percentage, always remember it. Out of 100, 20 percentage, 60 percentage likes X and Y. Remaining person will be 20 percentage. Yes or no? Remaining person. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Remaining person cannot decide.
1800.
Tell me. Yeah, 1800. Good. So 20 percentage, 60 percentage, 20 percentage is the remaining, can't decide. Now the question is, difference between the person who likes Y is 60 percentage, and person who can't decide was 720. What is this 720? This 720 is the difference between this number and this number. Yes or no? Read that statement, you'll understand.
Yes, sir.
The difference between this and this will be 40 percentage. 40 percentage is equal to 720. I need to find out. The question is total number of the students or survey, how many members are there. Then 100 percentage is equal to how much? Okay, so 40 for 8 this number, if I solve this, 18 4 is 72, 18 into 100, so
1800.
1100. I think it's clear.
Yes.
Very simple concept. Just you have to read question step by step, then you can do it easily answer. Write on this and do it. Good. Now she replied 1800. Good. Good. Shall we move next question? See this. Yeah, this is very important question. You try this question. Important question. 405 sweets are distributed in such a manner that, how I am distributed this 405, I am explaining. Number of sweets that every child gets 20% of the total number of children. I am assuming total number of children will be x. Total number of children will be x. Then every child, how much they will get means 20%, that is 1 by 5 of x. Correct? Yes or no? 20% of the total number of children. Every child will get 1 by 5x. Yes or no? It is a one student. One student will get 1 by 5x. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now 405 is the total number of sweets. 405 is the total number of sweets. 405 sweets I am distributed for one student 1 by 5x. For one student I am distributed 1 by 5x. Like that, how many students are there? X students are there. So this is the equation. I will get number of students here. If I number of students, x is the number of students. If I solve this equation, 1, if I shifted this 5 this side, this will be x square is equal to 2025. Yes or no? Then x value, tell me, at least you tell me, online students, what is the x value? How to find out root? I already explained in basic class. What is the root of this question? Tanu, Preeti and Alankrut. What is the root of this question? I explained
45,
already.
sir.
Very good. 45. Already explained this concept. Last two numbers one group, remaining number one group. 5 I have. 5 means only one choice. 5. 20 lies between 4 and 5. Always we have to write small number, that is 45. Is it clear, Preeti? You remember this concept now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So x is equal to 45. They are not asking number of students. What they are asking, tell me. What they are asking? What they are asking? Read question, tell me what they are asking. How many sweets every child will get? Total 45 students will get. There is 45 students. Every student will get 20%. 20% every child will get. 10% is 4.5. 20% is 9. Then every child will get 9 sweets. Is it clear? Please reply all. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right on. That is the answer, final answer. Every child will get 20%. Write on this. Is it overwriting?
Yes, sir.
Next. Yeah, this is also very important. See this. Actually, this option will be 68. Typing wrong. 68 it is. 0.684. Typing wrong. Okay. So now, very important question. Yesterday we discussed same kind of question, yet here small language is difficult. Read question. This is one of the exam question. If equal number of child are born on each day, very important question it is, guys. Equal number of child are born on each day. Find the approximate percentage of people. Approximate percentage of people whose birthday will fall on 29th February. Very important question. Try to do it. See this question. I will explain. This is the most important concept. But concept first understand. Let's take it for example. Let's take it any number you can take it. For example, I will take 1901 from 1901. Year it is 1901 is a year. 1901 is a year. Then 1902 is a year. 1903 is a year. Here the concept is 29th February is a leap year. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's the meaning that 1903. Then 1904 is a leap year. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now here in this year, how many days we have means 365 days. In this year, how many days we have means 365 days. In this year, how many days we have means 365 days. But in this year, how many days we have?
366.
366 days we have. Okay. Now, okay, first concept I will explain. Suppose equal number of child are born on each day. Find the approximate percentage of people whose birthday will fall on 29th February. Tell me from in this 4 year, how many times you will get to 29th February? How many times? Only one time, right?
Yes, sir.
See, 29th February means leap year. Only one time you will get out of these days. Out of how many days? Out of these days. Yes or no? First let me know.
Yes, sir.
How many days total? Count it. 5 4 5 3 15 plus 21 1 2 carry. 6 4 24 plus 2 26 2 carry. 3 4 12 plus 2 1 4 6 1. If I add this, how am I adding means everything is same number unit place except last number. Can I write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6? Instead of 6 I will write 5 plus 1. 5 how many times? 4 times. 20 plus 1 21. 1 2 carry. Here 6 how many times I have? 6 6 6 6 4 times. 6 4 24 plus 2 26. 6 2 carry. 3 how many times I have? 3 3 3 3 4 times. 3 4 12 plus 2 14. Is it clear? Out of 1461 February have one day only. See, I will explain first concept. If you have if you write 1904 afterwards, 1905 I will write here. This is your answer actually. 1905, 1906. Yesterday I told you this concept same. 1907, then 1908. Next 4 years. Year 365 days, year 365 days, year 365 days, year 365 days, 366 days. Yes or no? How many times February 29th it will come? From year to year. From year to year, how many times February it will come? February
Twice, sir.
29th. February 29, how many times it will come? Only 2 times. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Two times it will come. Total number of days. This will be 1461. Even this will be 1461, which means total 2 into 1461. Total number of days 1461. Again, if I solve, 2 will get cancelled. Again, I will get 1461 only. Again, same thing. Next, if I count it, 1909, 1910, 1911, 1912. Again, next to 4 years, how many times February it will come? 3 times February it will come. This 1461 is total 3 times of 1461. Again, I will get 3 get cancelled. Again, I will get 1 by 1461. Is it clear? How many times number of years if you write February you will get same. If I do calculation I will get 1461. Is it clear everyone? No need to write all these things. This is a concept. This is 4 years is enough. Is it clear? You can count it for 100 years. Next 100 years February it will come like that only. Number of years is same. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to calculate what is the percentage. That is a question they are asking. In February same every year they will born same number of, like 100 years how much? The calculation will be, will get again 11461. For example, in this year if they are born 100 students, 100 members, year also 100 members, year also 100 members, like that. That is the statement this. If you have to consider people born on 20th century assuming that no deaths, that's the meaning that every year they will born same every day on 29th February. That is the meaning that. Now how to solve? Can you tell what is the percentage value? What is the percentage value? 1 divided by 1461. See, this is difficult to calculate, but I will tell you how to do it. Tell me, 10% is this number, 1% is this number, 0.1% is 1.4. 0.11 percentage. 0.1% is 1.4, but I want 1. I will take it for 0.5 percentage. 0.5 percentage is off of this 0.14 of 7, 0.7. 0.7, which means answer is 0.5 above. 0.5 above. 0.5 I have two options. 0.5 above I have two options. This is eliminated. This is eliminated. Either this or this. I will check 0.6 percentage. I will check 0.6 percentage. 0.1 percentage is 1.4. 0.6 percentage means 6. 14 6 are 98 means 0.98. So that is a possible answer. 0.684. 14 into 6. 1.4 into 6 nearest to 1 it is. Is it clear? How I am deciding
Sir,
answer?
No, sir. Sir, why are you calculating 0.5%? Actually, it should be 1%.
I mean it is okay, 0.05. It is not 0.5. 0.05. 0.05 it is.
Sir, why are you calculating
I will explain. I will explain once again. Sir, 1 divided by 1461 into 100. Tell me 100 percentage value. This is 100 percentage value. 100 percentage is equal to 100 percentage is equal to 1461. Is it clear? First step.
Yes, sir.
What is 10 percentage then? 146.1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is 1 percentage? 1 percentage will be 14.6. Is it clear? 61. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now tell me 0.1 percentage is how much? That is 1.46.
Yes.
1.461. Now actually answer will be not 0.1 because I want 1, which means answer will be less than 0.1, which means 0.05, 0.06. It may be anything. Yes or no?
No, sir, I didn't get this.
Tell me.
I didn't get what you told right now.
I will explain. I will explain again. So now you are in 0.1 percentage, but you want actually answer 1, but your is more than 0.1. Answer is, tell me, answer is more than 0.1 or less than 0.1? That is my question. Answer is less than 0.1. Yes or no? See, you are
Sir,
in.
why?
See, you are in
why
one.
less than-
Okay, one thing. Tell me. Okay. You want actually 20. You actually want answer is 20. You want actually is 20. Now you are in 19. You have to go forward or backward?
Backward.
See. You want actually 20. You want actually 20.
Okay.
You are in
okay, I
19.
go forward.
You are in 19. You have to go forward. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you want how much?
1%.
One, not one percentage. One you want, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Where you have? You are in 1.46, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You have to go forward or backward now?
It's a
Backward, right? Because you are in already you are in more. See, you want 1 but you are in 1.46, which means you have to go decrease, you have to decrease, which means answer is point less than 0.1 percentage, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. Okay, let's take it example. Easy number I will take, not difficult number. Let's take it another number. This is also easy, I will take. Okay, this is a question now. This I want to solve. This is how much percentage? Tell me. Always remember denominator will be 100 percentage. Always remember denominator will be 100 percentage. 100 percentage is equal to 600. Sorry, 600. Yes. I want 31. Can you tell 10 percentage is how much?
60.
60. Correct. Now you want actually 31. Tell me, will you go 20 percentage? Will you go 5 percentage?
5%.
Yes, because I am in 60, I want 31, so I have to go for backward, means less, I have to decrease. Then I will check 5 percentage. 5 percentage will be 30, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now tell me, you want 31, will you go forward or backward? You are in 30. Will you go forward or backward?
Sir, forward.
Forward. Same concept here. Here observe. You want actually 1. Keep that in your mind. Your now 0.1 percentage is 1.46. Will you go forward or backward?
Sir, backward.
Backward. Because you are in 1.46, but I want 1 only. So I have to go backward, which
Sir,
means
that's why I'm asking why you calculated 0.1 percentage. Actually, there is 1461.
yes, 1 4.
Sir, actually the 100% is 1461.
Yes.
But you are comparing with 0.1 percentage.
I'm not
That's
comparing with 0. I want 1. I want 1. I will go till where I will get 1.
okay, sir. Okay.
I want 1.
Okay.
I will get where I will get 1. That I am searching.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 0.1 percentage is 1.46, but I want 1. So I have to go again backward. Next I will go with 0.05. It is off of this 0.07. Yes or no? 1.4
Yes,
is
sir.
0.7. But
0.
yes, 1.4 off of this. Off of this. Is it clear? I don't want full. Approximately I will take. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now 0.05 is 0.7. Now again I have to go forward. I will check 0.06 because I have two options only. This is the options, either 0.5, either 0.06. That is the options I have. Into 100, after that I will to do it. Actually that option is 0.05, 0.06. So I will get 0.06 is the answer. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this concept is exam point of view important. Next question. Afterwards you can write it that. This last question, say now. Last question, see now. This. If the word photograph is spelt with F in the place of PH, then what would be the percentage reduction in the number of letters? That's the question here. Very simple question and easy question. Tell me in photograph total how many letters we have. In photograph how many letters we have?
10.
9, sir.
9 or 10? Count it. You have pairs 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Starting I have 10. Now we have photograph 10 letters. Initial number of letters will be 10. Now instead of in the place of PH I will write F. In the place of PH I will write F. Now tell me how many letters we have. Now tell me how many letters.
9, sir.
Read everyone and tell. You have to tell properly.
8.
8, right? How you are getting 9?
Sir.
It is 8 only. Now how much reduction? That is the question here. How much reduction? 2 letters reduction compared to initial number of letters into 100.
So 20%.
Yes. So reduction will be 20%. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Read on. Is it clear, Alankrut?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't see the last PH, only calculated the first PH.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. See this. Solve that. Okay, next you solve this question. This is easy question. In an office 70% of the total number of employees are female, 80% of the total number of employees including 85 males got promotion if there are 105 females. Okay, solve this question. 24th question. I will check last option, that is percentage or this 85 males. Yeah, solve that question. Easy it is. 24th easy question. Slowly you try. In an office 70% of the total number of employees are females, 80% of the total number of employees including 85 males got promotion. Tell me total 100% is the starting employees. In this females how many? Males how many? Females how many? Tell. Here easily we can do 105 female employees. See, easily we can do it. Try this question. What is this 105? Can you tell? Okay, now I can do directly also because here number also I have. Tell me what is this 105? What is females? Can I write now 70% is equal to 105? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
70% because if there are 105 females in employees, total 70% is females, 70% is females, total 100% or 30% also I can take. Males I will find out, or total also I can find out, whatever that you find out. 100% how much? Find out and tell me. 70% is equal to 105, 100% is equal to how much? 150. 15 sevens are 150. Yes, 150 is the total number of students, employees. Initially 150 employees are there. Out of 150 employees, 105 females, 45 males. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, total 150 students, in that 80 percentage got promotion. Tell me how many members got promotion? 80 percentage of 150. How much 80 percentage of 150? 15 8 are 120 student, 120 employees are got promotion. Yes or no?
Yes,
Out of 120 got promotion, total males are 85. Total males got 85 members, 85 promotion. Total out of male is total 85. Sorry, this is not 85. Okay. 120 is the total promotion. If total number of employees including 85 males got promotion, including males, total 85 got promotion. Just you solve it. 85 males. Then tell me how many females here. That is 35 out of 120. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Now what's the question? This is enough. What's the question now? The question is this: what percentage of female employees got promotion? Female employees are 35 out of 120. 35 out of 120. Out of 120 into 100. Solve this question and tell me answer. So not 120. Females are how many employees? 105. Total females are 105. Yes or no?